Milk factories don't want you to know that. Now I only boil milk like that. This tip is amazing. Will surprise you. I'll start by adding a liter of milk in a pot to boil. But we're using that amount. Just to teach this amazing tip, use as much as you need. This tip is for you to never go through this problem again. To do our tip, I will use a sheet of paper towel. But you can use what you have in your home. You can use a brush or even your fingers. Now I will take some oil and put on the paper towel. And spread well. That's the secret to this recipe. The oil will prevent the milk from pouring out of the pan. Now just rub the oil on the edge of the pan. Do not need to spend much. Just dirty the edge of the pan with oil is enough. Be careful to pass in every corner of the pan. Because of missing some part, the milk will pour as always. Made it after having spread the oil well everywhere. Just wait for the milk to boil. To prove this incredible secret that the milk factories do not want you to know, you will never have to cry for spilled milk. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Texanina Munga of the United Arab Emirates. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The best thing about this tip is that you will never have to worry about milk boiling and pouring into your stove, no matter how long it takes you to turn it off. This tip has become routine here at home since the day I learned. Now whenever I go to boil something, I already use this incredibly quick and simple tip. This tip is extremely versatile. It does not only work with milk, it also works with water, or even with some recipe that you are preparing and left on the fire. Passing a little oil on the edge of the pan. Never again will you have trouble with anything overflowing and soiling your stove. You will save a lot with this tip. Why you will no longer waste milk, will not spend cleaning product, and especially will not spend money having to buy these things. People look amazing. The milk did not spill. The pan and the stove are still clean, and there was no waste. If you do it every time you boil milk, you will save at least a liter of milk at the end of the month. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.